How to add CHFJPY on your MetaTrader 4. Are you guys facing issues to add the currency pair of CHFJPY on your MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your devices. Once you open the app, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for Cortex. Click on it. Now tap on the plus icon. Now click on search bar and search for CHFJPY. In order to add it on your chart, simply tap on plus icon. Once you click on it, now go back to your Cortex homepage and you can see the option for CHFJPY. Tap on it and click on chart. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add CHFJPY on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.